Northern Ireland Electricity Networks owns the transmission and distribution system, and we supply electricity to about 880,000 customers.
NIE Networks has been fulfilling this role for decades. We've been doing things like replacing old equipment, upgrading the network, connecting customers, making sure the network is safe, and fixing it whenever it breaks.
So our world is changing. We can see that from the introduction of climate change legislation, which is driving a lot of change in our industry. For example, we're seeing the introduction of what we call low carbon technologies. This includes the electrification of heat and transport. It also includes battery storage.
The main change we have seen on our network is the decentralisation of generation. Smaller customers across the province are actually generating electricity for themselves back onto the distribution system.
We've got new technology giving consumers more control over how they use their electricity. We've got energy storage technology is rapidly improving and its use is growing accordingly.
Previously the network always flowed from power station to house, and now we have enabled bi-directional power flows on the network. So this new world of a distribution system operator is vital.
If managed effectively, this shift will enable us to place downward pressure on customer costs. For example, we can start to use smart or market-based solutions as opposed to traditional investment. So instead of just putting more copper in the ground or bigger transformers, we can pay customers to drop demand. This change will ultimately help us facilitate the decarbonisation of the energy system.
Initially, NIE Networks are part of the Energy Networks Association, where we have been utilising all the networks around GB and Northern Ireland to understand what changes will be necessary as we move forward.
But there is a recognition across the industry that there's no one-size-fits-all model, and because of that we are developing a Northern Ireland specific vision. So we have recently issued our call for evidence, and based on a very successful outcome to that, we are now commencing a consultation process with industry. So we're trying to take a very customer-centric approach in all of this.
The consultation document, which is based on responses from the customers, sets out our vision for the future DSO functions and the operation of the network.
It's great to be involved. It's also great to be able to collaborate with our customers, find out what their needs are and come up with an engineering solution to meet those needs.
There's going to be big changes in how we operate our business, and I think everybody in the company should really enjoy being a part of this.